Sweet Almond Oil for Face works wonder on a dry and flaky skin. Sweet almond oil acts as an excellent moisturizer. Massage your face with a few drops of sweet almond oil before going to sleep and feel the improvement in the texture of your skin after a few days. You can also use sweet almond oil for removing makeup from your face and eyes. Sweet almond oil has proved to be a soothing agent for treating skin allergies and inflammation. Sweet almond oil can smoothen hard skin, especially on the elbows, knees and heels. Chapped skin, or minor wounds and infections can also be treated with sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil contains natural antimicrobial properties, which help prevent the spread and growth of bacterial infections responsible for acne, wounds, or other infections. Sweet almond oil emollient property will rejuvenate and tighten the skin. Sweet almond oil also heals sunburn and evens out skin tone.